Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri katanat PHE Marcus and Marang. Haka khatlai dari jelio arhajar arpo henrio ulawan ban Plie Mawnongrim jong ka project sam hapo ka Thaiñ Rynjah. Ya Mawnongrim jong ka project drinking water supply scheme lum shngan Rynjah. La plipat ba haka jingdon lang MLA uba Charles Pingrub uba penyat sing Skhim ki dekhot ke executive committee jong ka darbar shnong ba kinong shong shnong. Myntri katanat PHE Marcus and Marang habakran haka jinglang Uliat hu bay ka project sam Rynjah lamang ha kajingdot ka bahan reo point hanyo puar kedor tingka bat mar on sedang no ban pentrei ya ka project. Marcus ulaong ba ka project kan ay Jingmyntoi kinong shong shnong ka Rynjah bat kishnong marjan habe day bat ka jingdon kam ka umbam umdi. Shu ulaong ba ka project drinking water supply scheme lum shngan Rynjah ka day shibenta jong ka scheme JJM balawan ra da ka sarkar pdeng ban pentikna beginong shong shnong jong kari ki biang lut ka umbam umdi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone here.
Lesi ha ka banga kwa ngan penpau ni namar banga numla banga nyalat ya ka public health engineering department hapo ka jingalam jong ba RS Nongbri kum chief engineer kum ila pensngu ha ka jingkren ka jong i kubele sibun ba ha ka ba ya ka ai ka bangilawan ban pensngu bat bangin ut ya ka jingdon kam ka bakum ka snong ka don kam ki officials ki jong pi hapo ka jingpet ki jong ba sangma ka jingpet jong ba sun bat kum ta ter kilawan bat kila dable ru ya ka field inspection bat haba kila yo i ba kalong ka babiang na ka benta bangin yo ya ka ni ka Skhim hapo ka snong ka jongi kumta hi marmar pilaya ya syahmat na ka benta ban penkre ya ka presentation bat kumju ru ban penkre na ka benta bangin la ban wanra ya ka ni ka Skhim hapo ka ni ka dong lesi nganum la ai bangin len ka kalong ka budlum ya ka imlang ka salang bat ya ka snong hi boro ko we Hakani kapur kasibenta na kiliang jong kidong na prengki nyoteli kidong apo kasnong Rynjah kani ka benta jong kadong lum singan bat main road kilong kidong ki baka kaladuna sa papalat nila haban wad ikilat kilenti khamtam lele hadien bangi ladu no ya ko kabawan nang te na po dem tring de unda habang iwad ya kalat kilenti ka khmat jongi kamla suban pha sinu lat satang sa ka department ka base ya ko bat kata kalong ya public health engineering department de hapo kini kisnem hapreng survey bat hapreng sibun kijing kemi pilawan pet bat pilalam bat pilayo i bakalong ka babet bat ka bapetikina bangin yo ya ko umbam umdi ka babet ka babiang bat ka ban pendap penbiang ya ki yeng bat ya ki nongsong snong hakadong lum singan bat main road lesi hakani ka pur ka burom ka bakham tam ngapan pau ya MLA jongi ba Charles Pingrub onda habang ilayo i ba ka jingdot kam kalong ka bala seiso lingba ka jingwan survey jong public health engineering department nilalit ban ya kendu ya i ban pensngo ban ut ya ka jingdon kam kamensiam ka bakhut ka khti ka basbun bat ka jimut ka jing perkhat ka basyai iklem karnga ba di siong kan salong bet kublai sibun sa ya ka benta ka ba flashim bat lesi ba ngisayo ya kani ka benta ka ba nganong hakmat jong pi boro lesi kani ka di ka sin ka banding kong ka ba nginyo ka project ka balajan kot ho krur hapo ka snong jongi de kalong ka burom jisha na ka benta MLA ba di ka public health engineering department ka bala le ya kani ka kam na ka benta nginyo ya kani ka benta so ba nginye thap ktilang na ka benta ka burom ka jongi. Today is a memorable day for our community.
Itaman basan balay ke jingduai aswa bangin sedang ya ke jingalang ke bakerpang na kwaban penpau ke jing snongo ia ki seng kintai lani seng lam kume ki belawan man lakapor ban pin snongo hanga ya ke jing ke jongki habade ban ko umbam kumti Teng Dalawan office ngala have admit I was a little nervous at times. Margilaiwan bungut ding la chang tiang ke. Anyway, today their efforts with the directions of the Shnong has concluded in this beautiful morning where the Honorable Minister Bar Marquis will unveil the inauguration slab. I have always wanted that every Shnong, wherever it is, all over the state, should have potable drinking water, which is the basic necessity of every human being. And I'm glad that under the guidance and dedication of our Honorable Minister, Bar Marquis, a lot of schemes have been provided all over. In fact, in the year 2023, Bar Marquis had even come to Nongra to inaugurate the JGM scheme and personally interceded to ensure that this water supply would be provided there. It has now, Honorable Minister, let me remind you that that scheme is now functional and the people of Nongra are getting adequate water supply. I've been informed by the Chief Engineer too that there are schemes which have been sanctioned for Lumio Blot, that is in Nongtumai constituency, and also in Rynjah, that also will be sanctioned soon. So Nongtumai is getting a lot of schemes. I must thank the Honorable Minister for taking special care of this constituency. And of course, our Rangbashnong, who keeps on badgering me about all the different schemes that he requires for the Rynjah. And I want to declare here also that in addition to the 5 lakhs which we had given under the SRWP scheme for the construction of this hall, I have earmarked another 5 lakhs for Rynjah, not because there was enough funds, but because I couldn't refuse the Rynjah Shnong for constructing this building which will house the community hall and the office of the Dorba Shnong. But ngam lak hem de penpaw yi jing songo yaki office ke jonga. Hapo ka jing elam jung ba Alan Lingdo, along with president, iba lam kupar shang pliang secretary, iba lakashang, belong treasurer, jaga constituency junga. But boro ki balai tre shitam lang banya coordinate but ko office jong ka chief engineer jong ka PhD but honorable minister ru bakane ka scheme kan urang and menta kasnging ga dap der jing kmen ko khrao ba ega jing ang note jong ki Jingmyntoi seng long me jong ka lum shngai Rynjah kila yo ega scheme ka ba kot kumba new glory ay mo tenga ngai Skhim pada kani ka scheme kan sa pinbyang ya ka jing dan kam jung phi abadi ban go mamundi. Once again I thank the Rangbashnong. We also have the president of the Sinjoki Rangbashnong Nongtumai Pulun Bana Bantili Nari, who is very active also in the localities of Nongtumai, especially during the COVID-19 endemic, where all the Rangbashnongs and Nongtumai took a big and played a major part to ensure that everyone in Nongtumai constituency did not have to go hungry or sleep in bed without a full meal. Congratulations goes to all the Rangbashnongs, 15 Rangbashnongs of Nongtumai constituency.
To be part of this function. When I was informed that the project, the Rangbashnongs wants to have a small program here in Lumsnai, I was very happy. In fact, it was fixed for 6th of this month. But as has been mentioned by our Honorable Local MLA, I was not well at that point of time. So considering my health, it was shifted to this today. So I would want to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the Rynjah Shnongs and all the executive members of Thaiñ community here. Dear friends, this project is costing around 6 crores. 6.71 crores. And it has been sanctioned very recently. And for this project, as has been mentioned by Rynjah Shnong, ED Viwar, Charles, local MLA, and also the former MLA Pinat Singh CM were following up with the concerned department and also with my office. So I would want to congratulate local MLA Pinat Singh CM and all the Rynjah Shnongs of this Thaiñ community. Dear friends, water is a life. The government of India has also launched, along with the state governments, called Jal Jeevan Mission, to give potable water to all the citizens of the country in the year 2019. That means the government's commitment to give potable water to each and every citizen of this country, along with the state governments. So here in our state also, apart from some urban water supply schemes, the way we are doing today, the government of Meghalaya, in support of government of India, has launched JJM in the year 2019. Way back in 2019, if we recall, the coverage of household tap connections in entire state is only 4,550 households in the rural areas. 4,550 household connections in the rural areas. I'm not talking about the urban areas. And in terms of percentage, it was 0.70%. Where we stand today? Today we have already covered 5,46,000 plus households. In terms of percentage, 84%. That means the seriousness of the government of Meghalaya, under the able leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, and also here, PHE department, all our officers are doing very well, sincerely and dedicatedly working day and night to provide potable water to our people. So friends, it's a great moment. Today, we are going to unveil the water supply scheme for Thaiñ locality here in Rynjah. This was possible only because of positive support and guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who is always positive. Whenever his colleagues, ministers would demand through department or through different systems, he would patiently hear and he would definitely think of sanctioning the project based on the necessity, based on the demands of the people. So therefore, I would say that even if I wanted, even if our local MLA wanted, even if our former MLA Pinat Singh CM wanted, along with Rynjah Shnongs and the community, I would not have been able to sanction this project. It was possible only through the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, who was very generous and very pro-people in his approach. So therefore, we should thank our Honorable Chief Minister, whose vision is driving our Meghalaya state. Our Meghalaya state The growth is very fast. Today, we are fastest growing economic in the country, Meghalaya state. Yesterday in the Shillong Times, it came out that our Honorable Chief Minister was attending the Niti Aayog meeting in Delhi, where he was mentioning about the GSDP of Meghalaya. It was 29,508 crore in the year 2018. Where we stand today? We stand today 59,626 crore in 24-25. Means our economy is growing very fast. And which is why it's visible in entire state. So many developmental activities are happening. Even in Shillong, we have seen New Shillong Township. Lots of developments are happening there in New Shillong Township. Government is contemplating to shift the secretariat there. The works are happening 24 hours a day. Assembly buildings are nearly completed. Hopefully, next session will be conducting there in the new assembly complex. PHE department has already started the new Shillong water supply scheme. Initially, it was for 500 plus crores, and the work already started for new Shillong water supply scheme. That water supply scheme will cover entire new Shillong Township along with 32 localities there in the new Shillong Township. It has been enhanced very recently for want of different price escalations, and there are some issues. Earlier, the dam was on the downstream of the river, but now we have to shift to the upstream because of certain issues there. So the price has gone up, and then we have to enhance the cost there. Dear friends, today I would want to inform you on this occasion that we are also contemplating to go for another water supply system for Shillong, covering this side, Nongtumai, Laimukra, and entire these areas, wherever it will have to cover. The source would be Rynjah. We have already started the process of preparing the DPR, and once it is completed, we will move for necessary sanctions. These are all under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister. This government is very serious in terms of water supply scheme for entire Shillong city. If I may recall you about the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, which has initiated long back in the year 2008. It is yet to be completed till now. Last year, the pumping for that third water supply scheme, Greater Water Supply Scheme for Shillong City, I have, commenced or inaugurated the pumping of the water to the treatment plant, which is added 8 mld of water to the treatment plant in Moplang. That project should have been completed long back, but there are lots of challenges, issues, because of which it is being stuck up. Slowly, we have addressed all the issues. We are almost completing the project now, and hopefully by next financial year, by 2027 March, we should be able to close the project. With this project, we'll be able to address some more shortages of water in Shillong city. And additional to that, we are trying to augment this Rynjah project, which will again augment Nongtumai, Laimukra, and other parts of the Shillong city. So the friends, with sincere approach of this government under the able leadership of Conrad, we are working towards the Vikshit Meghalaya here in Meghalaya also. and we are hoping to complete all the projects. As I have mentioned about the JJM projects, we have connected 5,46,000 plus household tap connections. If somebody asks me, is those projects all functioning? It is not. Some of them are not functioning. Reasons are, because of source issues. Some of them are having source issues. Some of them have not completed. It's still under construction. Some of them are having lots of challenges and issues, like land issues, and some, the laying of pipes are also the challenges that we face. So therefore, if somebody asks me, will you leave that project as it is? No, definitely not. The intention of this government, the intention of our Honorable Chief Minister is to provide every citizen a potable water. So therefore, the government is committed. I'm also committed that we will try to make all the projects functional, including some of the projects here in Shillong City as well. So therefore, with these few words, I don't want to take much of your time.